welcome back to episode 8 of this series, where I compile footage of rare trains and talk about their significance. On October 8th, 2023, I ended up in Grafton for the rest of the afternoon after early that morning being in Worcester. A train of interest was Amtrak 449, which had P42 DC number 46, their commemorative paint scheme sticker for their 50th anniversary trailing. Here it is at track speed. Just after the New Year on January 20th, 2024, I decided to make a quick trip to Southborough for the afternoon to see some trains. As usual, I go out to see Amtrak 449, but today's train caught me by surprise. It had P42 DC 100, the Midnight Blue unit leading solo. On March 31st, I'm back at Grafton for the afternoon to see some trains on a beautiful spring day. A train that I usually see, the eastbound Lakeshore Limited, just so happened to have a Horizon car on the rear with a friendly crew. On April 26th, I'm back in Grafton at the interlocking, and today's train of interest is on the eastbound Lakeshore Limited. 100, the Midnight Blue unit, pokes around the corner as it speeds away from the sunset with a friendly engineer. On July 8th, I got word that P42 DC 164, the Phase 4 Heritage unit, would be coming down to Boston. The next day, I went out to see it in Worcester. Here it is passing through Webster Square. On July 9th, I'm back out to see the westbound Lakeshore once again. This time, MPCU number 9224 had to get moved to Albany after it got hit by a tree from a storm the other night. Here it is trailing through Grafton, interlocking with a friendly engineer. Finally, on July 11th, P42 DC number 108, the Phase 7 Heritage unit, came east to Boston via the Lakeshore just a few days after a special unit came to Massachusetts. This time, I went to see it in Westborough. Here it is passing through with another friendly engineer. On July 21st, I decided to go to a spot I haven't been to in quite some time. Today's Amtrak 449 has two regular P42s, but hitching a ride were the Midnight Blue unit and ALC 42 number 342 trailing. Here it is passing through milepost 28 in Southborough.